And this video, friends, I will show you how to fix Doordash not showing on the restaurant. So friends, first step, updated your Doordash app. If you don't have updated your app, you should be updated your app on last version, and then you will fix this on the first step. If you don't work updated app or don't showing on the restaurant, you should check your filter. Are you using check your filter, guys? If you are using narrow filter, and check all your filter, this is the first one. And then guys, all you have to do, you should be use exact keyword on your filter, guys. You should be use exact keyword on your filter. And then guys, all you have to do, you should be guys, check your storage and clear all data and storage on your setting on your device, and updated also your software on the automatic updated. And then guys, you should be rest your PC, your mobile phone. If this not work, guys, you will be rest your mobile phone. This is some solution also. And then guys, the last solution, you should be guys, contact support team on the down here. Go to Dasher center and then look for help center from here, guys, on the support team. The last step, guys, you should be also check your internet connection. And here, as you can see here, my internet is connection. And then guys, you can also, if you have on your PC device, you can update your Windows from here. You can restart your Windows from here, and you can update your Windows on the support team. This is some solution, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for